Ever wondered why a computer might sneeze? Imagine this. A computer sneezing because it caught a virus. In the digital world, a virus is a malicious software that can disrupt operations, much like a cold virus in humans. But here's the kicker. The term virus was coined in 1983 by Fred Cohen, who demonstrated how a program could infect a computer and spread like a biological virus. This quirky analogy highlights the fascinating intersection of biology and technology. If you enjoyed this fun fact, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.